If the alarm was to go off now, who's on your site? Many firms still use paper books that leak data and cannot be viewed remotely. Elite Kiosk solves this by providing a platform where you can view file roll call from your device, requiring just a web browser and an internet connection. To log in, you simply complete the short form, entering your name, company name, the person who you are visiting, and optionally your car registration. The kiosk then shows your site policy, including all health and safety requirements for visitors to acknowledge before signing in. Then, as you can see on your right, once they sign in, it's almost instantly logged on the live roll call that can be viewed on your mobile device. Signing out is just as simple, and as soon as they sign out, the live roll call automatically updates. On the dashboard, admins can not just see the live roll call, but visitor history, the recent deliveries, and change their preferences and settings. The kiosk is transparently and competitively priced, starting from £150 a month plus VAT, which includes the fire roll call system and everything you see in this video, with a fixed one-off setup fee starting from £599 plus VAT.